everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Videos with Goneedle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer a decal, a line design onto a tote bag which has the wet and wet paint technique. Let's go ahead and see how to make this bag. So for this, I have one side of a tote bag. If you want to learn how to make your own tote bag, subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when we release our sewing videos. And we have the bag, and I have few colors, all of them diluted in water. And I have this brush to apply water. So I have some water here. I'm going to go ahead and apply liberally on the area where I want to paint. You can see that I'm keeping my bag inside a box so that I can keep this workspace clean. Okay, there you go. Now is the time to add the paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and add So for this I'm using fabric paint since we are using this on a tote bag. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just slowly just do this and then let the paint merge into each other naturally. I think I might want some more green here. There you go. Tiny bit of pink. There you go. Now I will go ahead and let it dry. While the bag I made today dries up, we are going to go ahead and transfer the decal onto this bag which I already made. You can see in this one I have used the spray paint instead of the regular paint. So let's go ahead and take our iron, warm up the surface. This is fabric paint, so you can iron on it. Okay, you're good. Now we are going to go ahead and place your design. Put your Teflon sheet or a piece of cloth, parchment paper, anything. Remember, your iron is on the highest setting, and then we are going to start pressing. For more details, you can watch my video on YouTube, which is about how to transfer decals. Now that I've pressed each area for 30 seconds, let's go ahead and remove the carrier sheet. You're going to do it slowly and see if it is adhered well. Wow, see how amazing it looks. You can see when you are using a line design, adding a background such as wet and wet paint gives a really vibrant look. Hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe so that you will not miss our sewing videos. Thank you.